Hi everybody, Paul here at Johnson RV Fife, home of the premium pre-owned, where our buyers search nationwide for only the most premium and gently used inventory. And then our technicians bring them in and restore them to as close to like new condition as possible. Behind me is another great example of that. It's a 2012 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. It's a 24 MB model. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of that, so follow me. First off, it does sit on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. It's a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine. Very handsome coach. You can see here they do built in a little platform for you to stand on so you can access the rear portion of the engine and get up to your windshield and so on. Moving along here. This particular coach does have side view cameras, and those are tucked right there. So when you engage the turn signal, you're going to be able to see what's going on that side of the coach. Sprinter, one of the nice features here is the concealed fuel fill, so you do have to open the driver's door to get fuel in there. That way nobody can siphon it off or tamper with your fuel tank in any way. This is the lone slide on this coach here, and the bed does sit on that dinette area as well. And it is covered conveniently with a slide topper to keep the top of the slide free of debris and water and all that kind of stuff. Frameless windows there with the awning style windows, so you can have those open when it's raining. You're not going to get everything all wet inside the coach. Sewer hose storage is located inside and tucked below the slide there. Shore power plugs in right there. You do have hot water, and the tank is located here. Just down below here, you're going to have a hot and cold water exterior shower. You can toggle your from normal to city water flow there. You also have your handle for winterization purposes. TV hookup is all located out there, and that's all kind of conveniently located right in that compartment right there. Here in the rear is a little bit more business area here. There is a light in here so you can see this at night too. Emergency propane shutoff as well as propane fill there, and you do have a black water tank flush system. So just hook a hose up to that and you'll be able to flush out all of the solids out of your black water tank. Black and gray waste dumps, those levers are right in there, and the gravity tank dump is located just down below here. So just hook up your sewer tank, pull the black, pull the gray, and you're on your way. Moving back to the rear of the coach up top, it does have a rear view camera mounted up top there. Down below you are rated to tow, so you got towing capabilities if you have a small dinghy coming behind you. And exhaust for your generator. A little bit of storage on this side of the coach, small storage compartment. And speaking of generator, that is housed right in there. And this particular one is a 3600 watt LP generator. It's a Cummins Onan. More storage up here, so it's a nice big area if you got golf clubs and that sort of stuff. The awning power, one-touch power awning button is located in there. Plenty of storage, and up top there you can access that from inside the bathroom area of the coach as well, so we'll see that a little bit better when we get inside. Moving along, you do have your 110 duplex if you needed to plug anything in outside, and another nice generous size storage compartment. So it's a nice small kind of compact coach, but plenty of exterior storage as well, which is sort of unique in this kind of size. That pretty much wraps up the outside of the coach. Let's go take a look inside. Hi everybody, thanks for joining me inside this 2012 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the inside of the coach here. Very, very ergonomically designed. Sprinter focuses really well on making sure everything's designed really well engineered, very easy to use. Shifter right here. You do have a tom-tom. You got your CD player, AM, FM radio, all that's going to be located right there, as well as the monitor for the rear view and side view cameras. Down below here, battery boost, so you can pull the jump off of your coach batteries if the chassis battery is running low. You can toggle between the rear and the side view cameras as well. And this coach does have stabilizer jacks to keep you nice and kind of stable while you're parked and set up for camp. And the indicator for that is just over on that console right there as well. 12 volt power and some cup holders right there. And you can see too the captain's chairs are fully swivelable, so we can turn both of these around and be a part of the living area there as well. Moving into the primary living area, it's going to be a U-shaped dinette here, all ultra leather with memory foam inside, very, very comfortable. When it is time to go to sleep, this is going to power down. The table just collapses down, fill in a couple of the cushions over top the table there, and the bed will just power right down. The command center up here, you have your climate control. This does have an inverter, which is one of the options for this coach. I did mention the jacks, those are controlled right there. Remote gen start, slide control in and out. You got access to your water heater, water pump, and all of your tank monitoring is done right up there. Very, very well built coach. Our leisure travels, all solid wood cabinetry throughout with the positive locking mechanisms. Those are all going to stay shut when you're on the road. Very nice finishes, very high-end fit and finish. Plenty of storage, overhead storage. There's going to be cabinets on the front here and on either side and above the galley area. Solid surface countertops. You do have a high-def television that's just going to tuck right down into the table if you wanted to. There's a quick release here on the side. A little bit more storage down below here. Moving into the kitchen area. Solid surface counters all over in the kitchen area here. Flush mount cover over the nice deep sink there. Extending faucet. Spice rack up there. Flush mount cover for a little garbage can. And dual burner stove with a glass flush mount cover. Nice big splash guard, stainless steel splash guard there. Fully extending drawers all the way down and plenty of storage here underneath the sink. Just across from that is a Dometic fridge and freezer, and it is a removable freezer compartment, so you can pull that out and give yourself a little bit more room in the fridge if you prefer. Convection microwave, so you can do your baking and microwaving all in there. Pantry, fully extending pantry there to put all your canned goods and food, whatever you got. Moving back into the huge dry bath area, nice big wardrobe. You can hang your clothes, a little bit more space down below for clothes and shoes and so on. More fully extending drawers. I did mention the ability to get into that exterior storage, so that is accessible just down through there, and more storage still. Solid surface is still carried over back into the bathroom area. Medicine cabinets on either side there. Toilet there with a sprayer and foot flush. A little bit more storage up above. And then a nice big neo-angle shower there with a lot of natural light overhead, so plenty of space, overhead space there. There is a power vent just above the toilet. And yeah, just an absolutely beautiful coach. Leisure Travel just makes a gorgeous motorhome. Going to want to come out and take a look, take it for a drive, or give us a call, 888-833-9766. Be sure to ask for Paul. Thank you.